What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to highlight duplicate rows in Excel. So you can have a selection of columns, like you can have the column named, or you can just have just a selection of rows here. Doesn't matter. You can select the whole column by clicking up here, or you can just select it by dragging down while moving the thing like that. Okay. And then you're going to want to go to the Home tab and then go to Conditional Formatting. So you're going to want to do highlight cells rules and then do duplicate values. So now this will pop up and you'll already see like a preview. So like there's duplicate 2 here, duplicate 3, and then these ones are unique. So that's what differentiates those. And you can just change the rule right here before you apply it. So if you just click something, you can preview it, up to you. And then you can also change what you want colored. So if you want the unique values colored, you can color that, but I would recommend coloring duplicate values. That's an easier way to distinguish. You can also just do red text, red border, but highlighting is probably the easiest way. Then you can also do a custom format, and then you can change the font maybe, or the font size. If you do like bold, you'll see these are now all bolded, which is still not a great way, but let me just select this entire row again. And to clear the rule, let's say I want to remove this rule of bolded duplicates, you just click clear rules from selected cells, and just like that, nothing's bolded. So that's pretty much it. Real quick, one more time, select the row, conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, duplicate values, and then you can click OK. And just like that, it's ready to go. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.